In this video, we'll go over how to set up your MX records with Dynadot. MX records are mail exchange records that specify the mail server responsible for accepting email messages for your domain. If you want to set up your email for your domain, you will need to set up MX records within your Dynadot account. To get started, sign in to your account. Select My Domains from the left side menu and click Manage Domains in the drop-down. Check the box next to one or more of your domain names. Then, click on the Bulk Action button. Choose DNS Settings from the Bulk Action list. Under the Domain Records section, select MX from the Record Type drop-down. Enter your MX record in the Host box and then the record's priority in the Distance box. Press the Save DNS button to save your changes. If you are using our email hosting, please follow these two additional steps before saving your DNS. Under the Domain Record section, select TXT from the Record Type drop-down. Enter the following address in the IP address or target host section. You can copy this address in the description or help file. Be sure to save your changes once finished. If you need any additional support, please click on the link in our bio to reach us through chat, email, or phone call.